Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to compare two amazing cameras, the Sony a7E and the Canon EOS R7. If you're a photography enthusiast or a vlogger, this video is perfect for you. Before we dive into the comparison, make sure to hit that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. When it comes to the image sensor, both cameras offer exceptional quality. The Sony a7E features an advanced 24.2 MP BSI full-frame image sensor with a 1.8x readout speed. On the other hand, the Canon EOS R7 comes with Canon's impressive 32.5 MP CMOS sensor, ensuring that every image appears sharp and vibrant. Now let's talk about the price. The Sony a7E is priced at $2,198, while the Canon EOS R7 comes in at $1,899. Both cameras offer excellent features for their respective price points. It's worth considering your budget and the specific features you prioritize. When it comes to autofocus, the Sony a7E boasts an impressive 693 phase detection and 425 contrast AF points, covering 93% of the image. Meanwhile, the Canon EOS R7 comes equipped with Canon's reliable AF system. Both cameras perform exceptionally well in various shooting scenarios, ensuring you never miss a perfect moment. For those action-packed moments, the Sony a7E offers up to 10 FPS continuous shooting with AAF tracking. On the other hand, the Canon EOS R7 boasts a blazing fast mechanical shutter speed of up to 15 FPS. Whether you're photographing sports or wildlife, both cameras can capture sharp images with ease. And that wraps up our comparison between the Sony a7E and the Canon EOS R7. Both cameras have their strengths and are suitable for different types of photographers. Remember, always consider your specific needs and preferences before making a decision. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Happy shooting!